Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make geoboards. As many of you know, a geoboard is a simple hands-on math tool used to explore shapes, lines and patterns. It is made using a flat board with evenly spaced pegs where rubber bands or strings are stretched beyond the pegs to create different geometric figures. Start making a simple geoboard that won't cost us much. We can do this by reusing some old cardboard, bottle caps, a glue gun, and some ribbons. Let us place the ribbons in an equidistant manner. Some shall be vertical, some in horizontal. Mark the dots using a pencil. Now place the bottle caps on each marking and draw with the pencil around it. Now your cardboard has many circles in equidistant manner. As the sides of the cardboard are very rough, I am using a transparent tape to cover the sides. Stick the bottle caps on the circle markings by applying hot glue using the glue gun. Once ready, children can use popsicle sticks by placing them between the bottle caps to form shapes, letters, or patterns. Thanks for watching.